Betsy, and today I'll be telling you a story. A little story about fall and little hedgehogs and what they do. So let's start off with a little song to get us ready to sit and read the story. Well, by reading, you listen. So, hello, and how are you? I'm good, I'm hoping you are too. Are you? Hopefully. So I'm gonna sing it in Spanish. Hopefully you can follow along. If not, I'll sing it again. Hola, 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 ¿y cómo estás? Hola, 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 ¿y cómo estás? Estoy bien, espero tú también, I hope you are as well. So, this is a song. Story we are reading today. It's called Hedgehugs Autumn Hide and Seek. It's amazing because it's a little story about hedgehogs. About a little hedgehog named Horace. A little hedgehog named Hattie. And what they like to do in the autumn. So, let's start off. And it's cute because it's hedgehogs. Because they're little adorable, huggable little creatures. Horace and Hattie are the very best of friends. There are so many things they like to do together. They like to make bunny shadows as the sun comes up. Little bunny shadows, little puppets. You do a little bunny in the shadow. That's what I like to do. They like to follow shiny snail trails. Look at that little snail trail. Wow. And touch the dewdrops from the leaves. Well, you wake up early, you can touch the dewdrops. And after rain, they like to spot sparkling spiderwebs. Look at that little sparkling spiderweb right there. When Horace is busy, Hattie likes to decorate her little nest. Look at how pretty it is. And when Hattie is busy, Horace likes to practice his music. Look, he made a little guitar banjo looking thing. I don't know, could be either or. Do you play an instrument? Do you like to decorate? One windy autumn day, the sky was filled with leaves falling from the trees. It was pretty, but Hattie felt sad that the branches would soon be empty. It's fall now. Look at all the leaves as they fall. Look at the trees as they come empty. But don't worry, they'll soon grow back, hopefully. You just got to wait out winter. But as they fall, you can also play with them. That's what the hedgehogs do. Horace didn't want Hattie to be sad. He gathered up as many leaves as he could and was trying to put them back on the tree when suddenly, so he was gathering them up. You could gather up all the leaves as well. Okay. Something squeaked. What squeaked? This little bat right here. Look at that. That little bat just swinging in the breeze. He squeaked. Horace and Hattie leaped with surprise. They landed in a pile of leaves. Wouldn't you like to land in a pile of leaves? Just gather them all up, fall on them. The squeaky thing thought it was a game. He loved to play hide and seek. Hide and seek! Look at that. It's like he loved it. I loved hide and seek. I still do. Horace and Hattie loved to play games too. Look at them. They're already hiding. One's hiding underneath a log. One's hiding underneath some pine cones. They were experts at hiding. Look. Little Bet's hiding too, under leaves, under acorns. sneaking. First, Horace and Hattie searched for their new friend in the blackberry bushes. Look at the little blackberry bushes. Aren't they amazing? When they found him hidden in a tangle of brambles, he squeaked with joy. Can you find him? Do you see him? Do you see him? Little squeaker? Look, he's right here. He's a little hidden. He blends right in. Right. It took the squeaky thing a long time to spot his friends. Can you spot them? I spot Hattie. She has a little flower on her hair. But I can't find Horace. Where do you think he is? Is he up here? No. Is he up here? No. Here he is. Among the seed pods they were hidden. Look at that. All hidden away. There's Hattie. And then there's Horace. Horace and Hattie knew the squeaky thing was hidden somewhere beneath the toadstools and mushrooms. So where is he? Do you see him? Squeak! At last! They found him. Do you see him? He's not over here, is he? I don't see anything purple. Let's see. Oh, here he is. Right here. Right here. The three friends giggled in delight. It was so much fun to play hide and squeak. Horace had one last hiding place. He spied a secret spot. Do you see anything that might have caught Horace's eye? It's falling away. Sure. Hattie hunted the squeaky thing's search. They looked and looked. Horace waited and waited until... Look, they're in a pumpkin little patch. Do you see Horace? I don't see Horace. Do you see him? I don't know. Let's find out where he was. Surprise! Horace popped out of a pumpkin. Wow, he was hidden so well hidden. I wish I could hide in a pumpkin. I'm too big to hide in a pumpkin. But wouldn't that be great? The other two squealed in fright and delight. I mean, look at that. It's like, surprise, I'm hidden in a pumpkin. When the last leaf fell from the tree, it was time for the squeaky thing to return to his family. Hattie felt sad again. Oh, sad, all the branches fell. Horace had an idea. He whispered to their new little friend. What do you think he's whispering him to? And the tree came alive with colorful leaves and laughter and lots of new squeaky little friends. Look at what they did. Doesn't that look pretty? Even the purple. Wouldn't that look nice on a tree? Wish that was actually a tree. Done. Alright friends, hope you had a great story time. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. The little Hedgehugs Autumn Hide and Seek by Steve Wilson and Lucy Tabor. Okay. So, I say adieu friends. Until next time, hopefully you will see me soon. So, before I go, I just want you to know that I have some crafts that I made if you want to pick them up at the library that I made to correspond with the book, Hedgehugs. So, here's a cute little hedgehog that you can make yourself with plenty of leaves and little hedgehog template. So, it'll be available here at the library if you want to do that. And I also have their friend, the bat. If you want to get it also, you can. I will have some available, not a lot, but I will have the hedgehog available. And I also have some sparkly spider webs that you can also get. It's just glitter and a little spider web if you also want to get that as well for your story time. So as you can remember, they like to do after a rain, they like to see like sparkly little spider webs. So here's a little sparkly little spider web as well. They're little hedgehogs and the little bat that they made. So little bat, little dog, and so come and get your kid today at the library. Should be available. So goodbye. I'll sing a little goodbye song for story time for you. Open and shut them, open and shut them. Wave your hands up high. Open and shut them, open and shut them. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Hope to see you soon.